Namaste, this is Cynthia, and I welcome you to this Yoga Nidra practice. Find a comfortable position. You're lying down on your bed or yoga mat, a space where you can be completely still for the next few minutes. Allow your body to settle into the support beneath you, and gently close your eyes when you're ready. This is your moment for a quick reset, a chance to simply release any accumulated stress. As you settle, silently affirm to yourself, I'm here for deep rest and renewal. Gently draw your awareness inward. Begin by noticing any sounds you can hear around you in this moment. Then softly let them fade as you bring your attention to the subtle flow of your breath. Now, allow your awareness to move through your body, noticing any areas of tension. Bring your attention to your jaw, consciously invite it to soften. Feel your shoulders melt away from your ears. Release any tightness in your neck and sense your chest expanding with ease, your belly relaxing, your hands becoming soft, and your feet releasing their grip. Now, take 3 deep, audible breaths. Inhale fully, feeling your belly and chest gently rise. And as you exhale, make a soft, audible sigh, releasing any tension, any stress. Again, inhale deeply, filling up completely with ease and calm, all the way to the top. And as you exhale, invite surrender. One more time, inhale fully, inviting peace into your entire being. And as you exhale, allow yourself to truly release. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural, effortless rhythm. In this deeply receptive state, bring to mind your personal intention for this practice, a simple, positive statement that truly resonates with you. Perhaps it's, I embrace inner calm, or I am at peace. Choose what feels right for you and mentally repeat it 3 times with full conviction. Now, let your awareness gently rest in the area of your heart center. Imagine a soft, warm light beginning to glow there, expanding with each gentle breath. This light represents your intention, your inner calm, your ease. Allow it to slowly expand throughout your chest, your entire torso, filling your being with soothing presence. Feel this light as a soft, comforting sensation. Now, bring your personal intention back to mind one more time, repeating it mentally 3 times with renewed dedication. I embrace inner calm, or I am at peace, or your chosen Sankalpa. Gently bring your awareness back to your physical body, resting on the surface beneath you. Feel all the points of contact, the back of your heels, your legs, your back, your arms, and your head. Notice a sense of refreshed alertness beginning to stir within you, as if you've been gently recentered and recharged. Slowly begin to invite gentle movement back into your fingers and toes, and gradually bring a soft stretch into your hands and feet, or perhaps a gentle wiggle. When you feel ready, slowly open your eye. Take a moment to feel grounded, to embrace calm, and to take in the effects of this short practice, ready to re-engage with your day and carrying this peaceful presence with you. Our Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank you for sharing this short practice with me today. If this practice brought you a moment of peace and calm, I invite you to share this with somebody who would need the same too. I also invite you to explore Ignite and Flow's 3-day Calm Reset, a free online Yoga Nidra meditation experience designed to help you release stress and invite more calm. You can find more details in the description and comments below. Until next time, I wish you much peace, much love, and deep ease. Namaste.